Building.
Same way.
Oh. You don't want to be in the vlog?
Hey.
Pop it up, hey. Pop it. Vlog life. Yes, we're gonna be famous. Like we're gonna be famous like Beyonce, Rihanna. Believe it? Yeah, we gonna be famous. We don't believe me? Watch me.
That's what we're singing.
Trust me, nigga, we made it. Nigga, we made it. Elizabeth is all shy. She don't come in the vlog, girl.
I'm gonna make up for please.
Final day in uni.
Up. Get it. Oh. Shit.
It's central London. Beautiful Farringdon, as you can see.
Yes, Serena, vlog, girl, vlog.
So yeah.
Told you we gonna be famous. Oh my god, my head looks big. Shit, man.
Look how everyone in
Look
the
at
taxis
in the
is
car. They all look at us. Say hi to YouTube. Woo! We gon' be famous. Oh, why my head looks so big though?
big. Show camera lying to you.
Isn't it? Camera lying, and we're off to Sainsbury's because we believe Serena's gonna be a millionaire. So we're gonna be.
We're gonna be yachting, private jetting,
Oh girl.
Louis Vuittoning.
Oh girl. So we gonna go buy a lucky dip.
We're gonna buy a lucky dip and hopefully have some luck from this lucky dip.
Exactly. So we can win that mullah and we can be a millionaire. So we are heading to Sainsbury's to buy a lucky dip. We're buying a lucky dip. We're buying dip.
No?
Yes.
Listen, I'm thinking of cancelling work for Thursday.
We are in Sainsbury's.
Sunday. See, I can't even count the days anymore.
Can't even think no more. We're gonna buy a lucky dip.
Which one should we buy?
That's scratch cards up there.
Oh, okay.
You have to tell that you want a lucky dip for Friday, Euro Million, so we can win the jackpot. 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 Get it, girl, get it. Ooh, can win the jackpot. What's around? We don't want Caribbean food today.
We don't want
Caribbean food today. No.
Let's try and see what's around here. Okay. Let's
Say.
It's trying to be international today.
She's trying to be like a coconut today.
Shit, I tried that shit.
She's trying too much for YouTube, like. Girl, she's trying to be coconut and whatnot.
You know, trying to be like.
Look where we study. Damn, our uni rich. Prestige. We in the city, huh?
I need a drink.
Oh, no. of them. What's that?
Okay, let's
Is that
go,
alcohol? Hey,
5%.
come see alcohol. Alcoholic told you she wanted some drinks. Work, 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 work. Last day of uni till September. Work, work, work.
It's me happy work.
Yes, Serena. What a gal.
Somebody. Wait, let's Snapchat this.
Oh, wait, save it.
Oh,
Save. Gang, gang, gang.
And how many people use pads? That's the question.
She's such a loser. Like, we don't use tampons out here.
Tampons all day, not all day, but when I'm on tampons.
No, you have to use sanitary towels. Come on, ladies.
Dirty. Like, think about all the blood rubbing on
but
you.
think about it. Your blood is being stopped halfway through your
Yeah, but once you're bleeding,
That's nasty.
it's not being stopped. It's there all day. It's not rubbing on your
And you have
vagina.
like a small penis in your vagina all day.
No, because it's like here, like up inside where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, well, Miss Jules don't believe in the use of tampons.
I
guys.
never until I tried it and found out it's so much better than pads. So I highly recommend everyone to use tampons. Not everyone, but people who can handle it in it.
No, we don't do small weenies around here.
It's not. It doesn't even feel like